Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of applying for a PAN card for a trust online through the UTIITSL portal. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Step 1. Open Google and type UTI PAN apply. Click on the first link, which will take you to the official UTIITSL website. On the homepage, click on Apply for New PAN Card Form 49A. In the next page, select Physical Mode. For the status of applicant, choose Trust. Then select the option for both physical PAN card and ePAN, so you'll receive both formats. Now, click on the Submit button to proceed. Step 2. On the next page, a reference number will be displayed. Make sure to note it down for future reference. Now, enter the trust name exactly as mentioned in your registration documents. The name will automatically appear in the Name on Card field. Next, enter the date of incorporation as per your trust deed. For address for communication, select Office. Then choose your state from the drop-down list. Once done, click the Next button at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be asked for document proof. Select Trust Deed Copy. For all three sections, Proof of Identity, a Proof of Address, Proof of Date of Incorporation. Then, click Next to proceed to the Contact Details page. Step 4. On the Contact Details page, enter the following. ISD code, choose India. A STD code, enter your local area code. Google it if you're unsure. Telephone or mobile number. Email ID. Once filled, click Next to move on to the Address Details section. Step 5. In the Address Details section, enter the office address of the trust. Office name, trust name, door number, street name, a village/post office, area/taluk, PIN code, a state and district. Under Source of Income, choose Income from Other Sources. Then, click Next to proceed to the Other Details page. On the Other Details page, your AO code will be autofilled if the ISD and STD codes were provided earlier. In the Registration Number field, enter the Trust Document Number. Under Representative Assessee, enter the address of the founder or managing trustee. In the Capacity field, select Trustee, or enter the verifier's name, founder or managing trustee, and the verification place, Taluk/subdistrict. Click Next and you'll reach the Document Upload section. No need to upload anything here, just click Submit, and it will take you to the payment page. On the payment page, click Make Payment and complete the transaction. You can pay via net banking, debit/credit card, or UPI, Google Pay, etc. After payment, you'll be asked to rate your experience. Complete that briefly. Then download and save the PDF PAN application form. Also, click on Print to download and save the PAN application acknowledgement. In the final step, take a printout of the PAN application form and the acknowledgement. Add the seal and signature of the representative on the application form. Take a photocopy of the trust deed as well. Now courier the signed PAN application form, acknowledgement, and trust deed copy to your nearest UTIITSL office. You can track the status of your application after 5 days by searching UTI PAN application status online. That's it. Your PAN card application for the trust is now complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NGO-related guidance and tutorials.